Hello guys, welcome to Master Golden Genius Kitchen Show. Today I'll be showing you how to make a great salad. Very simple. Today I went to the market to get some fruit, casamango. I want to create a very sweet and delicious salad with this casamango. Many people know about this mango, so I'll be creating a great salad with this mango. So here we have our ingredient. We have our tomatoes, we have eggs, boiled eggs, and we have our shrimps, and we also have salt, brown sugar, we have our pear, limes, cucumber, and we have our cabbage, white cabbage, and we have our chili. This is our chili. Chili is good for flavor, so I love chili so much. So I enjoy chili. I love chili so much. I have a very great flavor. And here we have our basil, and we have our onions, garlic, and we have our mayonnaise, white pepper, and we have here our olive oil, white vinegar, and then I think we have carrot. So we'll be making a great salad with these ingredients. So guys, I want you to watch and learn how to make a great salad with all of these ingredients. Okay, just watch and see. So the first thing we'll do, to go, hygiene is the best in the kitchen. So you need to wash your hands. You need to wash your hands first. Hygiene is very important. So get your knife. The first ingredient you will collect is the casamango. Oh my god, this one is so very nice, sweet and delicious. So I'll be surprising you guys making a great salad with this casamango. It's very nice, guys. It's very nice. You just need to clean. Just clean the casamango. People go to the market, buy and eat. They don't know that it's good for making great salad. So today I decided to use this casamango to make good salad, to show you how the secret behind this thing. So just watch and learn. This one is bad. Anytime you're working in the kitchen, always make sure you clean your board. It's very important. Clean your board before continue. Okay? Just clean your board before continue. So now I'm done cleaning our casamango. The flavor is so sweet and delicious. So the taste of it, we have this sweet and sour. This is sweet, sour, something like that. So it's very good for salad. So I will be using now the best pear in the world. So this pear we are using to make our salad. So we're using pear, tomatoes too. So the most important thing about salad is all about the sauce. So today I'll be showing you 3 different kinds of sauce that you could use to make any kind of salad. But this particular salad, you can use the 3 different sauces to eat this salad. So I'll be showing you how to make the sauce. So today, here I have my bowl. Now, the first thing I'll be using is olive oil. I'll be using olive oil. The second ingredient will be my salt. Now the third ingredient will be my lemon, limes. This lime, so I love lime, sour. Just get the sour taste of it. So I'll be using limes. Now, the other ingredient I'll be using our chili flavor. This chili, you need to use it. It has a very fantastic flavor. So you just need to cut it in the middle. Just remove the heat because this one is sitting inside. You need to remove it to avoid, because you have to avoid the heat the chili flavor. I love using the two, the green and the red chili. Now, the other ingredient we'll be using is garlic. I also love the flavor of garlic. We'll be using garlic. Now, our garlic, we need to chop the garlic. This our salad sauce is good for people that claim that they are vegetarian, so it's good for them. Good salad sauce, very delicious. Now, just need to clean your pot. Now, what we need again is to get this fantastic flavor and fantastic taste of it. We have our brown sugar. Oh my god, I love this brown sugar. You just need to drop a little bit on it. You have this sweetness on it, sweet and bitter, sweet and sour. This flavor, just need drop a little bit of white vinegar. Now from this sauce, the heat there and the sweetness of the sauce can blow your head up. So you need something to chew, something unique, something that you need to put on it that will make the sauce more delicious. You need this casamango, the ripe one. So you need it to mix with the sauce to have this fantastic flavor. You need to chop as well. Oh my god, so delicious. Have this garlic hit on it, delicious and nice. So today we'll be making the dressing of our salad. Now what we have here is the pan to dress our salad. Oh my god. here. Just slice to have this unique dressing. The joy of every chef is when you are dressing your plate. Now, this is the first round. So you need to drizzle a little bit of limes on it to maintain the color. Now, there's another thing we need. Our shrimps. So this one is the headmaster of our salad. Is the one bringing the unique decoration of our salad. So you need to eat something that is going to remind you every time that you need to eat. It's going to remind you about food. So today we'll be cooking these shrimps. We'll be grilling the shrimps in this. Our wonderful. You just need to. I will continue with our salad. Here, we have our cabbage. Now the second part, we have our boiled egg here. So here we have our casamaro. ever been the key of every chef in the kitchen. Now, here, I'm going to put the sauce. So, I present to you my avocado salad with casamango sweet delicious sauce done